What is going on, everyone? I have a new pickup to show you. Got him totally local. We did a trade, me and this other kid. Trade some OVO 10s. Gave him 50 bucks cash, and then some useless Supreme stuff that I had no use for. You know, I couldn't pass these up, so you know I had to get them. This is my third colorway I had of these. I've had 4 pair altogether, like total. As you can see, got a new Yeezy 350 in the collection, and I'll let you read the label right there if you can take a hint. Go ahead and open these up if I can. They are a very nice shoe. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay. So this is not a review. This is just the first look, but this shoe right here, I like it. I like it a lot. Of course, got the Supply 350 right there with the pull tab on the back. Of course, same pattern as the zebras, just not black and white and red. The light blue, I think it matches well with the gray and like the kind of the dark gray and then the light gray, and then of course the transition to milky white, milky blue. Of course, you got the Boost right there, and it all kind of transitions well together, in my opinion. Of course, this is probably, I think it's the most available pair out there, and of course, I think it is the least costly pair of Yeezys you can have at the moment, anyways. These and the Beluga 2.0s are the cheapest at the moment. Oh, there's the other shoe. I just like having the right shoe because it's easier to hold, not as awkward. Those are those, and that being said, that is the blue Tint 350. Just give you a little round view. Of course, it's got the, like I said, same print as the zebra. Look right there. That prime knit upper just wound up is like crazy. Of course, laces look great, but they are a very light and faint blue. That the stitching to put this stuff together is absolutely crazy. Review coming soon. Hopefully you guys stay around to watch that. These unboxings are boring, I'm sorry. New pair of Yeezys on deck. Stay tuned for more stuff, and of course, subscribe, like, comment, hit the dingy bell, and we out.